Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about most important antonyms for upcoming exams. So now let's start the video. Before start the video, let's know what is antonyms. Antonyms means opposite word. So our first question is superficial. Answer is B, profound. Our next question is smooth. Answer is option C, groove. Next question, worship. Answer is option B, despise. Next question is holy. Answer is option C, profane. Next question, reckless. Answer is option B, careful. Next question is liability. Answer is option C, assets. Next question is auspicious. Answer is B, unfavorable. Next question is accomplice. Answer is option D, opponent. Next question is arid. Answer is option C, humid. Our next question is miscellaneous. Answer is option A, homogeneous. Next question is mandatory. Answer is option A, optional. Next question is morbid. Answer is option A, healthy. Next question, callous. Answer is option C, sensitive. Next question is advance. Answer is option A, retreat. Next question, delighted. Answer is option D, displeased. Next question, eliminated. Answer is option A, added. Next question, roughly. Answer is option A, exactly. Next question, seldom. Answer is option C, often. Next question, miserly. Answer is option C, spendthrift. Last question is intelligent. Answer is option D, dull. Thank you for watching the video.